I'm meteorologist Dave Warren. Speaking of that smoke here, big going around this area of high pressure, hot and humid weather across the south, but all from Philadelphia down through the Carolinas, even as far south as Jacksonville. Then it stops here. It's still clear here in South Florida, but if you are traveling north, know anybody up north along the East Coast, hazy sunshine there with that smoke here. Temperatures have dropped a bit. There are showers and storms developing as expected and working their way through the area. A blue sky now right near the airport was just a short while ago where we had a shower, even a thunderstorm nearby. Spots indicating here some showers developing here with our radar network, all four of them scanning the skies, and this is what we see right now. It's near the coast. It's pretty much along 95, working back towards the turnpike, and eventually will push to the interior here. But now some heavier rain pops up, pulses, gets a brief heavy downpour, then diminishes a bit. But there's the airport, so just north of that, Liberty City along 95 and the Palmetto Expressway, you are seeing these showers develop. Right over Fort Lauderdale, this is working its way to the interior here, but it's right near 95 now, and a little activity developing here in parts of Miami-Dade. So temperatures, they did climb up into the upper 80s, near 90 degrees. It's still 90 in Homestead, lower 90s there in the Keys, feeling like it's close to 100, but these showers do drop these numbers quickly, giving us some relief here from the heat and humidity. Now there they are working through the interior by 1, 2 to 3 o'clock. They gradually push inland a bit by 4 to 5, maybe a few hanging back here along the East Coast metro areas, but the bulk of the activity has worked inland. There is a chance they may push back across the area by 4 to 5 o'clock, but after about 6 o'clock this evening, these showers, well, they taper off. There they go, overnight tonight. A little activity near the coast is possible overnight. There's 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, and again a repeat of the activity pushing to the interior, really intensifying inland, but primarily late morning to early afternoon is when they get heaviest. They could linger to about 6, 7 o'clock. Afternoon storms, but as that high that we showed you earlier drifts overhead, not much to move these showers and storms. Could be slow moving, might lead to some minor flooding as they work their way through the area. Not much of a change to early next week for the holiday here, just afternoon storms in the forecast. Late morning they start to pick up. They'll hit 90 about noon tomorrow, and then the showers and storms working to the interior, pushing inland, tapering off after about 5 to 7 o'clock there in the evening. By 9 to 11 o'clock tomorrow night, things are pretty quiet. Still watching this area in the Atlantic, low development potential. It's near Bermuda, but that is the only thing we have to watch for in the tropics. Beach weather not bad, low risk of rip currents. We do have no alerts on the waters there, just 1 foot seas, a light chop in the bays for the Atlantic coastal waters, and still looking pretty good there in the Keys with no alerts, smooth in those near shore waters. Extended forecasts will have these rain chances about 40–50%, and we'll keep them right there for the 4th of July with a high temperature of 92. Afternoon storms could cool things off, but could be a little stormy at times for the 4th.